I'm Kelly with iCraft Vinyl, and today I'm going to show you how to cut and press a design using multiple different colors and multiple different materials. For this demonstration, we're going to show you how to press and cut this Jack Skellington sugar skull design in honor of Halloween. So to get started, I have attached all of the light colors together. That way it'll make it much easier when I'm cutting. So all my yellow elements are together, my blue elements are together. So after doing that, we're going to go ahead and click Make It. The first thing you want to do is make sure all of your mats, you turn the mirror toggle on. This is because we're using HTV and we're pressing it, so we need it to be a reversed image. So now that our 7 different colors are done, the mirror is on, we're going to get started. We're going to start first with our holographic colors. We're going to be doing the Jack Skellington's eyes and a piece of the sugar skull design in gold and blue metallic. Okay, so we need our Cricut pad. We're going to do the eyes first. So go ahead and get your HTV lined up on your mat, shiny side down, the color side down. Get that all on. Okay. Now we're going to make sure we have our eyes selected, so that's the first one that we're doing, and we're going to click Continue. Once it is found the Cricut, we can load our mat and choose our settings. So this is going to be a custom setting since it's the holographic vinyl. I'm sorry, the metallic vinyl. I think I said holographic earlier. So with this metallic vinyl, we are going to choose our custom setting over here. We turn the toggle to custom, and then it gives us our options here. So we're going to click View All. We're going to scroll down to the vinyl section, and we're going to click holographic vinyl. Holographic vinyl and metallic vinyl have the same settings. So you can go ahead and click Done with that. Now we're going to load our mat. Okay, and once our mat is loaded, our custom setting is chosen for holographic vinyl. To cut our metallic, we can go ahead and click the Cricut Go button. And it'll start cutting. Now that our first element has finished cutting, since this is metallic and holographic HTV are a little bit thicker than traditional HTV, we're actually going to cut this one twice. This will just make weeding so much easier. So all you do is just click the button one more time, and it will reload it right into place and do a cut on the exact same outline as the first cut. After you've cut out your metallic HTV and your matte HTV, it's time to move on to the glitter. So that one also has a custom setting as well. So just turn your Cricut toggle to custom, then go over to the computer and it'll actually give you glitter iron-on as a option. Just click on that, and then from there we're going to load our mat. So step down and then hit the Cricut Go button. After you cut out all your elements, it was time to weed. So we weeded out every piece, and it took about just like 10 or 15 minutes. It's a pretty quick process. So we have all of our different elements ready to go onto the heat press. And I'm gonna start from the outside of this design and work my way in. So we have a black long sleeve women's t-shirt. already loaded onto our heat press, centered, and ready to go. I pre-pressed the garment just to give me a nice flat, smooth surface. So we're gonna start with the top of Mr. Jack Skellington, and we wanna go about 3 fingers from the top of the scoop neck, or from the bottom of the collar, I apologize. So we just wanna make sure this is nice and centered. Sure it's in. Now that the first part of our design is centered, I'm gonna go ahead and press this. Since this is our glitter, we can press this at 305 degrees just for a few seconds just to get this tacked on. It's at medium pressure. And our glitter is a cold or warm peel, so you can go ahead and just peel that right off. Go slowly just to make sure everything is sticking, and if anything is coming off, just go ahead and press it down just for a couple more seconds. So then we're gonna move on to Mr. Jack Skellington's mouth. So, I wanna make sure we get that nice and centered. Stop it for a second. So now the mouth is centered. So to protect the rest of our design that does not have the clear transfer sheet on it, we're going to go ahead and use our Teflon sheet and just press this down just for a few seconds to get that mouth stuck on. And again, this is a cold or warm peel, so you can just go ahead and peel that off. This is our jade green glitter as well, and this pink right here is our salmon. Next, we're moving on to our orange matte eyebrows and mustache. So we're just gonna make sure that's placed right where we want it. We're gonna grab our Teflon sheet to protect the rest of our design, and we're gonna push this down just for a few seconds to get all that tacked down. I usually do about 5 or 6. Okay, and this one is a warm peel, so you can just peel that right off and make sure every corner is sticking down. And there we go. Okay, next we're moving on to our purple glitter design. So we have that placed exactly where we want it. And we're just gonna go ahead and put our transfer sheet down before we press that. All right, medium pressure, just 5 seconds, maybe 6. Just let it get on there. And I'm just gonna peel that off. Looking good so far. Just to make sure I get the eyes exactly where I want them, I'm actually going to separate these, and then I can go in and make sure they're placed just where I want them. So the metallic has cooled, and we can start to peel that off gently. This is our metallic gold, which just looks so nice in the light. And we'll do that piece last. I'll do, I don't know. No, we should do this piece next because I gotta get something inside of it. Okay. The last layer that we're going to do are these silver pieces, my little silver dots. And so I can manipulate them a little bit better and put them exactly where I wanted them. I did cut the sheet into movable pieces so I could, you know, center this just where I wanted it, off center something here if I wanted to, and just make sure that it was just the way I wanted it. So we're gonna do just a quick little press to get all these on, and then we'll do one final press. So I'm just going to take off my transfer sheets. And nice and slow. We'll do one final press. This one we're going to do the full 15 seconds. Nope. I missed this one, but no big deal. Pull it off now. All right, and there is our final design.